Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr. Hall's Classroom. Today we're going to be doing a little small group, and this time we're going to be focusing on some math here. And basically what we're going to do is we're going to be talking about numbers, counting, amounts, using tools, that kind of thing for math, okay? So it's going to be very basic, but what I need you to do is to follow my directions. When I need you to repeat after me, repeat loud and clear, and then we're going to move forward, okay? Let's give this a try. First we're going to do is recognizing our numbers, okay? So what I need you to do is just repeat after me when I say the number, okay? 0, 0,
Zero,
1,
one,
2,
two,
3,
three,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well, no. You don't see a 10 there, so we don't say 10. We only say the number as we're doing it, okay? All right, now let's give it a try. If I show you these cards, we're going to go ahead and say the number, okay? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to mix them up now, and we're going to go ahead and say the numbers because it's important to know that we're looking at the right number as we're saying its name, okay? Numbers have names. That's what we call them. They also have numerals. We'll talk about that in a second. Let's give it a try, okay? 2, 8, 5, 0, 9, 3, 10, 4, 6, 7, 1, 2, 8, 5. Okay, good. Now what we're going to do is we're going to practice writing the numbers, okay? So what we're going to do first, however, is counting. And some of these I will have us count and then write, okay? So if you have something that you can write on nearby, whether a paper or a dry erase board like this, I would get that out and then come back to do this, okay? But for our friends who are still here and have all their stuff ready, let's go ahead. We're going to count a particular number and then we're going to write it down on our boards, okay? So first let's count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, 7. Go ahead and write down 7 and see if you can do it like me. I'm gonna slide to the right and slide back down. I am number 7. I know it's not the fanciest, but that's how we do it. We start up at the top, slide across, and then we slide down 1, 2 lines, okay? It's kind of like we're making a Z. Okay, let's try another number, shall we? I'm gonna hold up another card. Oh, geez, this one's gonna be a doozy. It's gonna be so hard. It's gonna count the honey pot and then write that number down, okay? I don't know if you're gonna be able to do it. Well, if it's so easy, then go ahead and write it down. Come straight down and then you're done. I am number 1. Okay, good. Yep, you come straight down, 1, 2 lines. All numbers are the same height. So there's no smaller number or bigger number. You write them all the same height, okay? All right, let's try something a little bit harder than that, okay? Oh, geez, I picked another hard one. Let's give it a try. Well, if you know how to do it, then do it. Make a ball and then you're done. I am number 0. Now, I know you might be thinking it looks like an O. An O is more round, whereas a 0 looks more like an egg. 0. Good, okay. All right, let's actually try a harder one. Let's try a harder one. Here we go. Try this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, go ahead and draw a 9. So the reason why I count it like that, I start from the top and work my way to the bottom, because that way I don't count around in a circle and get lost and get lost and get lost. I make sure I start at the top, work my way down, and when I'm at the bottom, I know I'm all done, and I stop counting. All right, so 9, let's see. Make a ball and then a line. I am number 9. Now, okay, it's okay if yours looks a little different. If yours looks like this, that's still good. If yours looks like this, that's still good. Number 9 can look like that, or it could be a little bit more straight, but that's how we do it. Make a ball and then a line. I am number 9. Good. Okay, so the last thing we're going to do is we're going to work on some of our counting using 10 frames. So these 10 frames help us when we're counting large groups of numbers. And what I would like us to do is to be able to count and see these numbers, okay? But first, I have to actually show you how it works. So we have 10 spaces in each of these frames. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we have another 10 down here. So as I'm putting these in, I can use them to organize what I have. So if I have, let's say, this many, then I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I can write that number down, which we've already done. Come to the right and slide back down. I am number 7. Okay. So we use these to represent our numbers. So anytime you can count them out, you can write it down as a numeral. And a numeral is the actual number itself. So let's say I fill it up, okay? Now, if I fill it up, I can count the long way and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or I could just look and say, hey, the 10 frame is full, so I have 10. There's 10 in here because it's full. And then I can write the 10. Make a 1 and then a 0. I am number 10. That one I kind of just made up, but it's a 1 and a 0. Okay, now I'm going to show you something even crazier than that. When you get more than 10, so let's say I have this many, I can either count the long way and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Or I can skip count because I know that this has 10 because it's full. So I can go 10, 11, 12, 13. And then I write 13. Mr. Hunt, I don't know how to write 13. Okay, here's a trick on how to write the number 13. Or any number that's more than 10. Okay, so we know how to write 10. 10 is a 1 and a 0. Because when we had 10, we had one full 10 frame, and then we had 0 extras. But now, how many extras do we have? 1, 2, 3. So we have one 10 frame that's full, and then we have 3 extra. Curl around and around again. I am number 3. So 13. I have one full 10 frame, and then 3 extra ones. Let's try that again. Let's do this. Okay, so now I can either count the long way, or I can shortcut count 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and then write that. I don't know how to write 18. Okay, how many 10 frames do we have full? One or both of them? Are they both full? No, just one. So we know one. We're going to write there. That's our tens place. And then the other digit, which is the other number, is how many extra do we have? So how many extra we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make an S and climb back up. I am number 8. Awesome. Good. That's how we do it. So now, what happens if I fill them both up? Okay, well, we can skip count because we know that both of them are full and both of them have 10, so we can go 10, 20. Of Of course, you could count the long way if you wanted to, but how do we write that? Well, how many 10 frames do we have full this time? 2. We have 2 full 10 frames. So our first digit is the tens place. We have 2 full 10 frames. Do we have any extra? No. So then we're going to put a 0. And that's how you write 20. 2 10 frames full with 0 extra. That is how we do it. Now we're going to be doing some other strategies. So next time you come to see me, I'm going to test you out and see if you can count how many and then write that number down on your board. But for now, that's a good introduction. So until next time, I'm going to see you all later. Bye, everyone. Hey, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. And also, if you like these videos, check out some of the other videos that I have. But until next time, I will see you later. Bye, everyone.